Explain exercise 10 in mental maths. Okay, see the next first problem. 2 crore 50 lakh 7,000 and 40 is okay. 2 crore 50 lakh 7,040. They are asking to write a numeral for this. See 2 crore. So you have to write 2 in crores place. 50 lakh. After that lakhs place. And next 7,000. Here they given 7,000. So already you know how to write 7. That is 07 and 40. The last period it consists of 3 digits. So but here they given 40. In hundreds place you have to keep 0. So that is 2 crore 50 lakh 7,040. See the second problem. The place value of 3 in 34 lakh 24,176 is. See here they are asking to write place value of 3. That is in. Observe here this is in 10 lakhs place. That is 3 10 lakhs. Or else you have to write 30 lakhs. You have to write original is 3 10 lakhs. 3 10 lakhs. So both are same. See the third problem. Find the missing numbers. Find the missing numbers. Here they given a box. They are asking to find missing here. See 10, 17, 20. Here they given like this. So they are asking to fill that missing numbers. To fill these empty boxes. So you have to add these two to write here. 10 plus 17 is 27. 17 plus 20 is 37. And add these two. Next you have to add these two to get 64. 20 plus 30, 50. And next add 1 plus 7 plus 7, 40. 50 plus 40, that is 64. Okay. See next fourth problem. Mohan walks 5 km per hour. 5 km per hour. Okay. He walks 2 hours every day. He walks 2 hours every day. 2 hours every day. How many kilometers? How many kilometers does he walk in a week? Okay, dash kilometers. See that Mohan went to walking every day, but he walks 2 hours per day. Per 1 hour he walks 5 kilometers. Okay, but he is asking to find how many kilometers does he walk in a week. Per week, how many kilometers does he complete the distance they are asking. See, first you have to write down how much distance he covered in 1 hour. Distance he walked in 1 hour. Or Mohan walked in 1 hour. Okay, that is equal to 5 kilometers. Distance he walked in a day, you have to find next. Distance he walked in a day. Per day, how many hours he walked? 2 hours. So per hour 5 kilometers. So 5 into 2, he complete the distance 10 kilometers per day. But here he is asking here the question. They are asking to find how much distance he walked in a week. Per week, how many days? 7 days. Per day he covers 10 kilometers. So in 1 week he covers 70 kilometers. 70 kilometers. Fifth one. I am a number. I am a number between 1040 and 1050 and 1050. Okay. I am divisible by 5. I am divisible by 5. I am divisible by 5. Okay. What number am I? They are asking. What number am I? What number am I? Okay. Here they are asking to find a number that is in between 1040 and 1050. But that number is divisible by 5. Already you know that divisibility rule for 5. The units place consisting of 0 or 5. In between these two numbers, the units place is 0 if it is 1040 or 1050. But they said the number in between they said. See here we have to write the number required number is 1045. It is in between number. That number is divisible by 5. So you have to select that number is divisible by 5. Okay na? And that number between those numbers. Okay na? Between means 1041, 1042, 1043, 1044, 1045, 1046, 1047, 1048, 1049. Those numbers are between numbers. But they given one condition that required number is divisible by 5. That's why I am selecting here 1045. See the sixth problem. HCF of 21 and 35. They are asking to find HCF. So already you did in 4th class 2 methods, long division method and prime factorization method. So everybody will select that long division for finding HCF. So I was selecting here long division method. You have to select smallest in those two and you have to divide the greatest number. 21 ones are 21. So remainder is 14. Drop this divisor as divided. Okay, that is 21. How many times it will go? One time. What is the remainder? 7. Up to the remainder is 0, you have to come here. You have to do. Okay, see, drop 14, 7 2s are 14, so remainder is 0. Okay, so the process will be stopped and write down that last divisor. HCF of 21 and 35 is 7. And next, write down the missing factors. They are asking to write missing factors. Next problem. Write down the missing factors. The missing factors of 16. Factors of 16. They given one factor here. 8 dash. Already you know how to write factors. So okay na? 16 is equal to 1 into 16. Next 2 into 8. Next 4 into 4. Here 4 is repeated, so you have to stop the process and write down the factors of 16. Factors of 16 are, okay na, you have to start from here and you have to end up to 16. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8, repeated number no need to write, 16. So write down here missing factors, 1, 2, 4, 16. See the next problem, circle the greatest numeral. Okay, circle the greatest numeral. Here they given some numerals 7 4 6 8 4 3 2. Second one 2 5 6 3 4 2 3 4. And next third one 4 7 8 6 3 2 5. And next 1 7 8 4 7 3 9 1. So already you know how to compare the numbers. If number of digits is more, that number is greater. If number of digits are same, you have to compare the place values. Here how many digits? This number consists 7 digits. Here it is 8 digits. Okay, and here it is 7 digits. and here it is 8. See, these two you have to compare. Here how 2 crores 56 lakhs 34,234. You have to keep here also commas. This is 1 crore. So which is greater? B is greater. Okay. Go for the next problem. 9th one. 3 by 11. 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11 plus 8 by 11 minus 5 by 11. See, observe all the denominators. These are like fractions. So, in the case of like fractions, okay, then we have to add the numerators, and here they given one subtractional. So, you have to add these two. After that, you have to subtract. See, that is equal to write down the common denominator, that is 11, and 3 plus 8 minus 5. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 minus 5 by 11. 11 minus 5 is 6, 6 by 11. That is the answer. And next you see the 10th problem. See the 10th problem. 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus 7 by 12. Here in the before problem, these fractions are like fractions, and here observe the denominators, these are unlike fractions. In the case of unlike fractions, the addition of the fractions, you convert those fractions into like, or you have to take LCM for the denominators. So I am taking an LCM for the denominators. Here 4, 6, 12. So 4, 6 are factors of 12. Factors of 12. See, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. So 4 and 6 are factors of 12. So LCM is equal to 12. So you have to write down LCM as a denominator. LCM as denominator, and you have to observe here. 4 how many times goes in 12? 3 times, and you have to take 3 and multiply with 1. 1 3s. 6 2s. So you have to multiply numerator with 2. And next 12 ones. So that is 7 ones. 3 plus 10 plus 7 by 12. So that is equal to. We have to write is equal to under is equal to, and we have to write division line. So division line opposite to the is equal to. Then the problem, then it is looks like a neat structure. Okay, see, observe this is 20 by 12. You have to convert this into simplest fraction, 4 5s and 4 3s. So it is 5 by 3. So it is improper fraction. Numerator is more than the denominator here. So it is improper fraction. So you have to convert into mixed. 3 1s are 3, and remainder is 2 divided by 3. That is the answer. So now I am going to another exercise. Exercise 11. Exercise 11. Okay. See the first problem. Okay, see the first problem. Tick the numbers. Tick the numbers which are divisible by 6 and 9. So you tick the number that both are that number is divisible by both 6 and 9. So see the first number 7803, and next one 3708, and next one 6591, and next 91956. Here the question is they are asking to tick the numbers which are divisible by both 6 and 9. So already you know the divisibility rule by 6. If it is divisible by 6, so it is divisible by both 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 2, first of all it is even. Okay. See, observe these two are odd because its units place is 3 and its units place is 1. So these two are odd. So you don't need to check those two numbers. You have to check these numbers. Add the digits, sum of the digits. 0 plus 8. How much it is 18? Here also you have to add 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6. So 10 and 11, 21. Okay. See, it is divisible by 3 and it is divisible by 9. it is divisible by 2 also, it is even number. 2 and 3 means it is divisible by 6, sum of the digits is divisible by 9, so this number is completely divisible by both 6 and 9, so this is the number which is divisible by 6 and 9. But observe here, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 9. That's why it is not the correct number. So the correct number is 3708. See the second problem. The LCM of 12 and 15. Here they are asking to find LCM. You have to choose the long division method. 12, 15. It will go in 3 tables, 3 4s, 3 5s. Here observe 4 and 5 are consecutive number. No table will go in these two numbers. Okay na? So you have to write down LCM. 3 into 4 into 5, that is 12 5 is 60. 12 5 is 60. See the next problem. See the next problem. Third problem. The HCF of 16, 24 and 36. Already you know how to find HCF. Okay na? We have to select the smallest as divisor and biggest. First you have to select the largest number among these three. 16 2s are 32. So 4, drop the divisor as dividend. 4 4s are 16. So remainder is 0. And you have to take this divisor and divide with 20. So and divide this 24 with 4. 4 6 are 24. So 0 remainder. So where you are getting 0, the divisor is the HCF. So HCF of 16, 24, and 36 is equal to 4. 4 4s, 4 6, 4 9s. Certificate. So fourth problem. 3900 mg is equal to dash milligrams. They give here dash grams and dash milligrams. Okay. See 3 grams and 900 milligrams here. Okay. See the fifth problem. Mr. Ravi bought 10 meters of cloth. 10 meters of cloth. Okay. He used 2 meters. He used 2 meters 65 centimeters for his shirt. Okay. How much cloth is left? They are asking. How much cloth is left? How much cloth is left? Okay. Here Ravi bought 10 meters of cloth from shop and he want to stitch his shirt. For that shirt he used how much cloth? 2 meters 65 centimeters. What is the remaining cloth left with him? They are asking. See what you have to do? You have to do subtraction. Okay. See. Write down the steps. Quantity of cloth. Ravi bought. How much cloth he bought? 10 meters. Quantity of cloth Ravi used for his shirt. Quantity of cloth Ravi used for his shirt. How much cloth he used? You have to write that much of cloth. 2 meters 65 centimeters. But here they are asking how much cloth left with him. Okay, now quantity of cloth left with him. You have to do subtraction. So 10 meters minus 2 meters 65 centimeters. 10 meters minus 2 meters 65 centimeters. So you have to do subtraction. You have to keep meters and centimeters. Here 10 in that no centimeters. You have to keep 2 zeros. 2 meters 65 centimeters. So we do bar here 0 or 10, 9. This is 9. 5, 3, 7. So 7 meters 35 centimeters. So the remaining cloth is 7 meters 35 centimeters. And go for the next problem. 10 liters of petrol. 10 liters of petrol costs rupees 105. The cost of 8 liters of petrol they are asking. 8 liters of petrol. Here they given this is the model in unitary method. 10 liters of petrol cost is rupees 105 and they are asking to find cost of 8 liters of petrol. First you have to find for 1 liter petrol cost. So they given 10 liters of petrol, that cost is 105 rupees. That cost is rupees 105. Okay, first you have to find cost of 1 liter of petrol. 1 liter of petrol, that is equal to rupees 105 divided by 10. So already you know the denominator is 10, it is converting to decimal, that is 10.5. So but in units rupees place it consists 2 digits, you have to keep 0, it doesn't change any value. So next you have to find cost of 8 liters of petrol. 8 liters of petrol is equal to 10 rupees 50 pice into 8. So you have to multiply 0 8 are 0, 0 5 is 40, okay, 8 5 are 40 and next 8 zeros 0 and 0 plus 4 4, 8 ones are 8, 84 rupees. Cost of 8 liters of petrol is 84 rupees. And go for the next 7th problem. 5105 divided by 5 is equal to dash plus 21. So you have to do division. 5105 divided by 5. 5 ones. You don't take two numbers. If you are taking two numbers to get wrong answer. So see how to get wrong answer. Suppose if you cut two numbers 5 2s 10 and 5 2s 5 1s are 120. 121 5 you have to multiply 5 2s 10 and 5 6 not 5. But they given 5105 rupees 105. So that's why you should cut each digit. Okay. Otherwise you get wrong. Okay. 5 ones, 5 zeros. You bring 1 to this 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 ones. So 1 0. 20. So you write this as sum of 21,000 plus 21. This is 1000. That's why I said you cut each digit. Okay na? See the next problem. 8th problem. Write the next three equivalent fractions. Write the next three equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Okay. See they given here 2 by 5, 4 by 10, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash. Already you know how to find equivalent fractions. You did in 4th class. Okay. By multiplying or dividing the same number with both numerator and denominator to get the equivalent fractions. Okay. You select that number and you have to multiply or as you wish divide with same with numerator and denominator. Okay, but here I am choosing the operation division multiplication. So 2 by 5, 4 by 10. I am multiplying here 2 2s here. So next I am writing 2 3s, 5 3s, and next 2 4s, 5 4s, and next 2 5s, 5 5s. Okay. See, 2 3s are 6, 6 by 15, and 2 4s 8, 5 4s 20, 2 5s 10, 5 5s 25. These three are the equivalent fractions. Next three equivalent fractions. And go for the 9th problem. See the 9th problem. Write true or false. Write true for T or false for F. False for F. Here the first is 7 2 by 5. That is equal to 37 by 2 they given here. And next one is 9 by 5 is equal to 46 by 5. See, already you know how to convert mixed into improper. See, observe here 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 2, 37 by 5. But here they given here 2. That's why it is false. Okay. Observe here 9 5 is 45. 45 plus 1, 46 by 5 is true. Okay. Go for the next 10th problem and the last problem in the today's class. Okay. See the 10th one. And dash angle between and dash angle measures between 90 and 180. 90 and 180. Already you know the definition of angles. So acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, so many angles are there. But from 9, an angle measures from 0 to 90 is called acute. And it measures 90 is right angle, and in between 90 and 180 the angle is obtuse angle. Okay, so here the angle measures between 90 and 180, so it is obtuse angle. Okay, today's class completed. Bye children.